Hey there, West Shore students. Today we're diving into Perusall, a fantastic tool to make your first-year seminar pre-class assignments more interactive and engaging. Perusall allows you to read and interact with your text and videos directly. You can highlight important sections, add comments, and ask questions. Perusall allows for peer and instructor collaboration to help deepen the understanding of the material. Perusall will also give you feedback on how much time you've spent engaging with the material. So now, let's get started. First things first, you'll access your Perusall assignments through your first-year seminar course. You'll click on your assignment and then click to launch Perusall. As you read, use the annotate icon or simply click and drag to highlight any text you find significant or confusing. You can then add a comment. You can also use the image annotate icon to highlight an area of an image or diagram and make comments as well. On a video, you'd click the Add Comment button in the upper right-hand corner of the video. Your comments would show there to the right-hand side. Clicking the Current Conversations or All Conversations icons in the right-hand side of your screen will allow you to review and discuss your classmates' highlights. You can also reply to their comments here as well. To customize your personal Perusall settings, click the drop-down menu next to your name in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and choose Edit Profile. Here, you can add pronouns, add a bio, choose a color scheme, and adjust your personal accessibility options to your liking. And that's it! With Perusall, you're all set to make your first-year seminar pre-class assignments more engaging and collaborative. If you have questions or need support, email the technical support team at techsupport@westshore.edu. Have a great semester!